Hey, it's Martin. And if you've been curious about using Grok AI but aren't quite sure where to start, this quick guide is for you. And before we get into it, here's something that's helped me a ton lately, especially if you're promoting anything online. It's a tool called Commentions. It finds tweets where people are asking for tools or recommendations, like best AI app, and automatically replies for you with helpful comments that mention your product. It's subtle, smart, and works even when you're not online. Links in the description if you want to try it. Now, let's get Grok installed. We'll be doing this on an iPhone, but if you're on Android, no worries. I've added written steps for both in the description. First, open the App Store and head to the Search tab. Type Grok AI in the search bar, and when you see it pop up, tap on it. Next, hit Download or Get, depending on your device. You might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple password. Once the app finishes installing, tap Open, and you're ready to explore what Grok can do. If you want more quick tips and walkthroughs like this, be sure to subscribe. And if this video helped, a like always means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.